is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me.
Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me in another complete disaster clean with me. This time I am working in my kitchen and I am doing a really good deep cleaning. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the bell so you don't miss any more of my future uploads. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. So to start, I am going in and putting away my dishes and just getting the dishes out of the sink because the sink really needs to be disinfected, cleaned, deep cleaned, the whole 9 yards. So of course I'm going in with the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the smell Roses. I got this last spring and I have not opened it yet until now, just because I wanted to get it all done and just use up some of the products I already have because I keep accumulating so much. I have a whole stash in my basement of just cleaning supplies. So I'm going to quickly do up my dishes. I am trying to become eco-friendly and save water. So, because I notice when I do dishes, I just let the water run, and I know that is so wasteful. So I'm just going to be filling up my sink and then reusing the water after I scrub all of my dishes, rinsing them off, and just using it to wipe down the entire sink as well as countertop. Moving on to the cupboards, I just got this Method Daily Wood Cleaner, and I am so excited to try it. It is in the smell almond, and it smelled so good. It made my whole kitchen smell absolutely amazing, and I can guarantee it worked so much better than the multi-surface cleaner that I was originally using. Not that I don't love the multi-surface cleaners, but specialty products work so much better. They left the wood on the cupboards so shiny, and it really gave it a new polished look when I was done. It was so nice and clean, and it was reflective. Like I said, it looked polished, and I could not boast about this product enough. It smelled so good, it cleaned well. If you are interested, it is over at the Grove Collaborative. There is a link down in my description box where you can get a free 5-piece gift set with your first $20 purchase.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark.
You guys know I absolutely love this product. It is the Real Simple stainless steel polish. I use this on all of my appliances, the garbage can, the refrigerator, the stove, you name it. If it's stainless steel, this is what I'm using on it. I'm actually running out and do need to place an order for a new one. What is your guys' favorite stainless steel polish if you guys use one? I know some people use baby oil. I really couldn't get into that just because it was kind of making a mess and it left everything really slippery and just kind of it like accumulated hair and stuff. So I just continued using the Real Simple stainless steel polish. It works so well. Once again, you can get this over at the Grove Collaborative. I cannot pronounce it. I don't even know. I'm not even gonna try. But anyway, I went in and I just made sure to get all of the fingerprints off the refrigerator because my daughter had her friend over yesterday for a Valentine's Day party, and there was chocolate on it, marshmallows. It was just a mess. So I just wanted to get this clean because, like I said, I am deep cleaning my whole kitchen, and this is just one thing on my to-do list of so many.
And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light.
Another product I swear by, it is the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. I use this on my stove every single time I clean it. It works so well to get any kind of grease off the stove. Today, I just wanted to make sure to go over it just because there were crumbs on it and some stuff from the last time I cooked. I have no idea what it was. But as you can see, it really does leave the stove nice and shiny, and it is so satisfying to watch like before and after pictures of it because you could really see yourself in the black metal. It's just so nice. It leaves it so clean, and it just really helps get like all the hair off it, all the residue of food, you name it, it can get it off. If you need this product, head on over to Target or Grow Collaborative and pick it up. It was only about $3, I think, with like some change, maybe like $3.50. Don't hold me to it because I don't really remember. Got it a while back. But it really does help get like any kind of grease off the stove. I do use it on the wall for like any kind of splatter from cooking, like red sauce from pasta, anything with soup. It really does just get the stove nice and clean. This is one of my favorite countertop cleaners. It is a sea salt neroli, and it smells so good. I don't even know if I pronounced it right, but I absolutely love this product. I know I say that about everything. You know when you're an adult when you get excited about cleaning products. But I went in and I made sure to clean down my counters just because yesterday when I was baking, I got powdered sugar everywhere. When I was making my homemade buttercream, I lifted up the hand mixer too soon, and the frosting went everywhere. I found residue of buttercream on the wall, and I had to get that off. And of course, I found powdered sugar all over my dish soap and hand soap trays and bottles. Look how disgusting that was. I am washing it with the Dawn Power Wash, which also smells amazing because it smells like apples. But anyways, me baking leaves the house and kitchen a complete mess. I'm so thankful for Jerry because when I was done baking, the dishes were so high in the sink from my mixer and my bowls, and I'm just so thankful because he did all the dishes while I occupied company, and he is just a saint. But anyway, I needed to make sure everything was clean, disinfected. I went in and just scrubbed everything, made sure I got all of the sugar off, frosting off, and just getting the whole countertop just done.
Up, you're over the hillside, so right, we stood there all wide-eyed, you and I, floating on air in my mind, 'cause there's no going back, no going back, there's no going back.
Now that my sink is empty, these two things I swear by. I think I say that about everything. But baking soda and vinegar leave your sink and your drain so nice. I first start off by putting this in the drain plug because I noticed there was some buildup of just kind of like some yellow moisture, and this really helped get it clean and scrubbed it nice because the baking soda does act as an abrasive kind of scrub. So I went in and scrubbed the drain plug and made sure to get all of that off because it was just absolutely disgusting. And I don't know, I just couldn't deal with it anymore. I might change back to the metal, but that is actually a lot harder to clean. You can see it up on the top of the sink. It's still kind of gross after scrubbing it multiple times. I do go in and I put this in the drain itself, and this really helps keep fruit flies away as well as keeping it shiny and just keeping it with the metal. There is a lot of kind of mildew that builds up in the drain, and this really does help get it clean. So that's why I do that. I do this about maybe once every 3 weeks, and just to make sure everything is nice and clean and disinfected. Vinegar is a really good natural disinfectant if you're looking for something that is nice and safe and pet friendly. There is a vinegar spray that you can create. I don't remember the recipe off the top of my head, but I will try to leave it down in the description box if you're looking for a natural, good smelling cleaner.
Talk to me, baby, I've been
Once again, my floor is just covered in crumbs and hair, and it's just a complete disaster. I am so glad I bought a steam mop. You guys will see my steam mop pretty soon. If you have not already, I unbox it in my last video. I will link that down in the description box below as well as in the comments. If you guys are interested in seeing my whole house clean with me, I will also put it up on a card above. As you can see, the dust pile was huge. There was actually blood on the floor because yesterday I cut my toe open and didn't realize it, and I was walking around my kitchen. And apparently I didn't get it all up the first time. I wiped down the floor because I just used my basic Swiffer and went over it with one of the Swiffer pads. So today I go over my entire kitchen floor with the broom as well as my new steam mop from Shark. Love it, absolutely love it. You just put some water in it and it heats it up. You give it about 5-10 minutes and it works absolutely amazing on getting any kind of residue up off the floor, but you do need to let it sit in order for it to heat up, and it's so frustrating because I'm a very impatient person. But anyway, the floor is all nice and clean after this, and my entire kitchen is just absolutely spotless. And anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and you guys can watch me steam mop.
Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go, cut the cable short and the problem solved.
That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me in another complete disaster clean with me kitchen edition. I really hope you guys were able to pull some motivation from today's video to get up and get it all done and make sure that your kitchen is completely clean as well as sanitized and disinfected. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you are not already, please make sure you hit subscribe as well as the bell. Almost 90% of my viewers are not actually subscribed to me, so please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you guys all in my next video. I believe it'll be on Friday. It is going to be a collaboration, so I look forward to seeing you guys then as well. Bye!